one for the Mopar fans at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1974 Plymouth Roadrunner. As you can see, orange and white color combination. 440 now underneath the hood of this one. Original 400 car. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Go ahead and take a look at the chrome bumpers, headlight surrounds, grille. Bright work looks good up front. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take your time, look this car all over, every angle, top to bottom, inside and out. Be able to see the interior, engine bay, undersides. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Yes, this is a true Roadrunner RM21 VIN. As you can see, writing on the steel wheels, radial tires, polished center caps, interior white and black combination, buckets up front, center console, and we'll get around to the driver's side. We'll take a little closer look at that. And we'll also fire it up, let you hear it run, check out underneath the hood. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See, the rear chrome also shows well. Paint has a nice finish to it. You're going to find, small imperfections maybe here or there, but overall it does show well. Great one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. It's one to drive, have some fun. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures, probably 100 plus pictures of this car online, UniqueClassicCars.com. So take a look up and down the driver's side. When we pop the hood, you're going to see that that 440 has a Mopar intake on it, highly carb. I believe there was headers. On the interior, I'm going to show you a little aftermarket air-fuel ratio gauge was added, and a little bit of wear on the seat. So let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of this car. Of course, white vinyl. Start with door panels. Look good. You're going to be able to see the undersides of the doors in the still pictures. You're going to see the VIN tag. You're going to see the fender tag. That will all be in the still pictures. Here you can see where the seams have separated a little bit in the seats, both on the seating area and the backrest. Rear seat's fine, no separation, or passenger seat. No separation on that either. And you'll be able to see those all in the still pictures. Take your time looking through. Blower fan works. Driver's side wiper at work. Check the gauges here shortly when we fire it up. Headliner looks good. Not had the stereo working this. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Alternator appears to be working. That was a cold start, so I'd expect it to be down on cold. Oil pressure slowly rising as you'd expect. Fuel gauge also moving. There's that air-fuel ratio gauge, and then you can see the tach. So it appears the gauges working order. Was a crack over the passenger side of the dash. Nothing too bad. And of course, I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but the beep horn's working. Yeah, there you can see oil pressure has come up. Fuel gauge has moved, alternator. Here's those are working. Let's get warmed up a little bit. Door closes nicely. Listen to that 440. This one will turn some heads with its sounds and its looks. All right, let's go see what's producing that rumble. I'm going to pause this 1 second, be a little easier to get the hood open, and you can see, again, paint showing well front here. Let me pause this a second, and I'll be back, and we'll check out that engine bay. All right, there's the underside of the hood. bay. Original 400 car. Again, 440 it now. There's that Mopar intake. Ollie carb. You can see the headers down there. Power steering, power brakes. Looks good, sounds good. HEI ignition. Also has an electric puller fan. You can see that. With fan shroud. Keep it cool. Real deal, 1974 Plymouth Roadrunner. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1974 Plymouth Roadrunner. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but our roads are dry today, so we can do these driving videos for you. This is a really good running car, strong performer. We've got one wiper that works. However, the blower motor works great. The gauges appear to be functioning. We've got temperature, oil pressure, fuel, alternator, tachometer works. 55 miles an hour right now. There is no shimmies or pulls. It's a good driver. Both our turn signal indicators work on this car. It has an aftermarket air-fuel ratio digital readout that's attached to the dash right here. It's a really good combo with this orange and white and a black and white interior with a wood grain dash panel. This car is 440, it'll get up and go pretty good. Really fun car to drive. Definitely check it out on our website or in our showroom, or give us a call.